Alright guys, I'm in Vegas for a conference and I got some pressed juicery juice here. This is the green 4. It has cucumber, celery, watercress, lemon, ginger, and cayenne. This is what's inside here. If you guys want to read that, pause it. It is non-pasteurized. You can get this at like the area hotel. So let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Alright, here we go guys. Check this out and let's do a quick taste test. Okay, so this one is, wow, it has a kick to this one. So it tastes more like cucumber and lemon. You don't get too much of the flavor, and cucumber, lemon, and cayenne. The cayenne pretty much drowns everything else out. Yeah, it's sour. Probably not my favorite, but definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.